Hey everybody, Detail Dave, trying out something new. Clean my rear of my vehicle here. I'm going to clean it up and put some of this Mother's Back to Black on it. I got a couple different products. I've had this for a while. I haven't had much luck with it, but I figured I would clean it to the best of my ability and then hit it with some isopropyl alcohol and then go ahead and give it some Back to Black and see how it works. I'm doing this later on a Friday night, so we'll see how it kind of goes. You see that it's pretty clean. It's got some dings in it. Like I said, this is on a 2013 Tahoe. We'll see kind of how it goes. I hit it with some all-purpose cleaner, rinsed it down with some water. Now I'm hitting it with some isopropyl alcohol. And you have to forgive me. I've once again got my phone. I haven't put together my my recording rigs and stuff like that, so we're doing this one-handed. As you see, it the isopropyl alcohol dries right away. Pour a little out for the homies. Now, good. Welcome back, everybody. Got a new clean towel. We're gonna go ahead and like I said, we prepared our surface pretty good. You see it's drying up. Surface is well prepared. It's clean. Hit it with all-purpose cleaner, of course, except down there, that's in the corner. I'm just doing the black. I'm gonna try to monitor it over the next couple days to see how it fades, see what it does like. So this is gonna be probably over the next couple day video. Add to it and see how it goes. Let me go ahead and prep my stuff and I'll start her back up. We'll start our application. You can already see from here to here, already see how it's kind of working out. Let's pop this open again. Ooh, I got some on now. All right. Let's see. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. You see it's filled in the, it's still wet. See, that was the no-no spot there. I couldn't get that clean. So this portion, make sure it's good. Once again, my stool. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, I did this on a Friday. So one last overall. You got the before, this is the after. And we're gonna see it over the next couple days. I'll keep recording it. Detail Dave, Back to Black. We'll see how it goes. Thanks. Hey everybody, this is Detail Dave. Back to do long-term testing, I guess. Well, not so much long-term testing, but testing of that return to black on my bumper in my 2013 Chevy Tahoe. Now let's take a look at it. And it's still pretty good. It's not as shiny or glossy. This is I did this on a Friday. This is the Monday after. So we got Friday night into Saturday night into Sunday night into Monday night, where we're at 3 days now. 3 days. Overall, I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. It's not horrible. Obviously this is my work vehicle. I took it to work today and it sat, hosed it down with some, well, not even hosed it down with some water, but put some water on it yesterday. Let me get some more water on. Let me get some water on this and see how it looks. Let me pause it right quick. And welcome back, everybody. Got some water on this. You see it's still beating up water. Still looks pretty good. If anything, I think if you can't tell in the camera, it lost some depth to the black. I mean, you see the water don't help, but it's not as striking as it was earlier. It's still black, like I say. I don't have a meter or whatever, but overall, a couple days later, it's still holding up strong, like you see.